Hello friend, quick tip: if you don't want to open TestCase Studio every time by clicking on the logo on browser toolbar, in that case now you can set the keyboard shortcuts as well. You can define them. It's very simple and straightforward. Just go to your browser, open new tab. Here type Chrome colon double forward slash extension. I will give this link in the description, and then shortcuts. So this is the one. Here it will list all the extension which will be installed on your browser. So suppose we want to set for test case studio, so what you will have to do, click on this edit icon. Then here you see that cursor will be blinking. Here you can type the keyboard combinations. So what keyboard combination you have to type? You see that include Control Alt or Command. So if you are on Mac, you will having that command. So suppose, because I'm making this on Mac, so we'll press Command T. So now my shortcut has been set as Command plus T. So if I have to open TestCase Studio now, like let's say I'm on this website and I want to open TestCase Studio, so we need not to click on the logo. You see that I'm pressing the Command T and it has opened the TestCase Studio. Cool, this is good. Suppose we want to set for some other tool, like let's say for TestCase Studio Pro we want to set. So as we have set the Command T for TestCase Studio, here we will try to set for, let's say, some other key, anything you want to set. Like I want to set Command P. Okay, now if we'll go here and we'll press Command P, it will open the TestCase Studio Pro. If we press Command T, it will open the TestCase. Sorry, if we are on this any website here and we press Command T, then it will open TestCase Studio. Okay, so this is how you can set the keys. Generally, like, it will be recommended that you don't see any you don't set any such key which is having some actions already. So set some different keys. Now suppose you want to edit them, so just click on this edit button. It will reset to default, like it will remove that. If you want to delete that, if you want to delete this, just click back. If you want to set that again, just click on edit icon and then you can set that like this. Now you must be thinking that can we set it for SelectorsHub and SelectorsHub Pro? So here you can set this, but the problem here, it will be like you cannot open, it will not open the dev tools. It will just open, click on this logo and it will show it here. Like if we see that, it will show this only. So you can see this information by shortcut key, so you can set for that, but that is not really recommended right now. So yes, so as we seen that you can set the shortcut keys for TestCase Studio and TestCase Studio Pro now. So you just set and then you can easily open the TestCase Studio and TestCase Studio Pro through the keyboard. You need not to click on the logo each and every time. I hope you found this tip useful. Please subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tips and tricks on SelectorsHub, TestCase Studio, TestCase Hub, and more innovations. Thank you so much.